Thought I'd do an update video on my 89 Baretta. This is what we've got. I've got the interior redone. See if I can get you a good picture of it. Here's the back of it, the back seat, the doghouse, and the back two seats. Let's see if I can get back here a little ways and give you a good picture of it. Speakers down there in front of the seats. Got 6 speakers right there. 2 mid-ranges, 2 6x9s, 2 mid-ranges, and 2 tweeters. Sounds pretty good. There. Show you how the doghouse works. Access to the motor. Battery compartment, and under that seat there's an anchor. Under this seat is my homemade 12-gallon fuel tank, because I've got to put a new fuel tank in the bottom of the boat. It's found out it was cracked, and taking water after I filled it up cost like $150 to fill the damn thing. I lost all the gas. Well, I didn't burn it in my boat. I fucking had to separate the water and the gas out of it. Anyway, I'm gonna redo them panels, the side panels, next year. This is all the original upholstery here. I had to redo it all. Basically, just had to, I'll show you here on this seat. All of it was rusted, so I had to take all them rusty staples out. And I restretched it, restapled it. And that's all that was wrong with the interior. Got the 4. I got the captain's chair here, and then the passenger's chair, and then these 2 back chairs that are back to back, and then the open bow, which right now is full of life jackets. But same thing with the interior, the upholstery, here as well. All the nails were rusty. And then got my tarp, my top. Ooh, looky there. There's a wasp I need to kill. Buddy, you better go away or you're gonna die. There's a hornet, I gotta kill him. I ain't gonna mess around with him. There's 2 of them up there, Cinnamon. We got some hornet killing to do. Damn, I hate them things. They sting me. There's what it looks like under the top here. Needs vacuumed again. This carpet's real good shape. Anyway, that's where I'm at on it. Definitely ready to hit the water now. The outside, the gel coat, got it done too. I have buffed it. Well, I wet sanded it. I had to wet sand it with 1200 to get the dinge, the the fading off of it, and then polished it with some good some good gel coat polish, and then put some cabana wax on it, which is really good stuff. And it looks pretty decent. There's some places I have to go that I have to repair, but I got to get some gel coat to do so. I've got rid of the majority of the scratches, but the real deep ones I got to redo and put gel coat in. As you can see, that's just dirt there. Just dirt from. I need to wash it. See, it's waxed. See how easy that comes off? And I've got to do the bottom yet on the buffing and waxing, just the very, very bottom. But that's it. I mean, she's ready to hit the water. That's where I'm at on it. Been working on it all winter, and now she's looking better and better. I'm going to I got some lettering ordered to put the name on the back of the boat, and it's going to be called. I'm going to plaster Troy Built across the back. It's going to be Troy Built. That's my cover that I put on it when it's stored, so I don't get dust and everything all over from working in my shop, because in my shop it gets pretty dusty doing body work and stuff, so I got to cover it up. Anyway, that's it. That's the update.